Unit 7, Target 7 homework worksheet, number 3. Graph the point and the line. You need to graph y equals 2/5 x plus 1. So I'm going to start by graphing the y-intercept at 1, and then using a slope of 2/5. So up 2 and 5 to the right. I can also go down 2 and 5 to the left, and then draw that line. My line has a slope of 2/5. Whenever I'm finding the distance from a point to a line, I need to make sure I know the slope of the line that I'm given. The point is at -3, -6, bottom left of the graph. The reason I need to know the slope of the given line, in this case the blue line, is because in order to find the distance from a point to a line, I need to measure it as a perpendicular distance. Because I could find the length straight up to the line, I could go at an angle, and so the shortest distance, which is the distance, is always going to be a perpendicular line. So to make sure I draw that correctly, I find the slope of the given line is 2/5, so my perpendicular slope is -5/2, the opposite reciprocal. And you can see that also gives you the measurements of a triangle you can form. I went 2 to the left, and I had gone up 5. And so I have a triangle, a right triangle, with a horizontal part of 2 and a vertical part of 5 to go with that -5/2 slope. And then I could do the Pythagorean theorem. So 2 squared plus 5 squared is going to equal c squared, which is the c value that I want. 2 squared is 4, and 5 squared is 25. So 4 plus 25 is equal to 29, which is c squared. So square root of 29 is equal to c. Square root of 29 is a prime number. 29 is a prime number, so the square root of 29 cannot be simplified, and that's my answer.